Hey guys, it's Fix-It Freddy back with another plumbing puzzle. Today, we're tackling that crusty, sticky mess the culprit lurks in your faucet tip. Eliminate kitchen faucet noise. Don't let the fancy name fool you. This little gizmo. Cleaning and cleanliness of your kitchen faucet plays a big role. But when it's off, things can get, well, messy. Don't worry though, because in this video, we break down everything you need to know removing and refreshing your eliminate kitchen faucet noise, no matter the brand or grime. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. Is the noise coming from your kitchen faucet driving you crazy? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we will explore various methods to help you eliminate that annoying kitchen faucet noise once and for all. Check water pressure. High water pressure can cause vibrations and noise in your faucet. If your water pressure is too high, consider installing a pressure regulator to reduce it to a more manageable level. Inspect pipes. Loose or improperly secured pipes can rattle and cause noise when water flows through them. Inspect the pipes under your sink and ensure they are securely fastened. Use pipe insulation or rubber gaskets to dampen vibrations if necessary. Clean aerator and filter. Sediment and debris can accumulate in the aerator and filter of your faucet, causing noise when water passes through. Remove the aerator and filter, clean them thoroughly, and reinstall them. Replace washer or cartridge. If your faucet has a washer or cartridge that is worn out or damaged, it can cause noise when water flows through. Replace the worn-out parts with new ones to eliminate the noise. Check for air in pipes. Air trapped in the pipes can cause noisy vibrations when water flows through. Bleed the air out of your pipes by turning on all the faucets in your house, starting from the highest point and working your way down to the lowest. Install a water hammer arrestor. A water hammer arrestor is a device that absorbs the shock of water flow and prevents noisy vibrations. Install a water hammer arrestor on your plumbing system, especially if you notice loud banging noises when you turn off the water. Inspect the faucet valve. If the noise persists, the issue may be with the faucet valve itself. Inspect the valve for any damage or wear and tear. If necessary, replace the valve to eliminate the noise. Consult a professional plumber. If you're unable to identify or fix the problem yourself, it may be best to consult a professional plumber. They can inspect your plumbing system and faucet to diagnose the issue and recommend the appropriate solution. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can effectively eliminate the noise coming from your kitchen faucet and enjoy a peaceful and quiet kitchen environment. Remember, addressing the issue early can help prevent further damage to your faucet and plumbing system. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on Eliminate Kitchen Faucet Noise. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality, but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.